Randy with the Randall Ranch. We've got a 5-year-old quarter horse gelding here. We're going to showcase today. We've had him probably in all over a year or so, something like that. I'm just going to do a little bit of groundwork on him just to kind of show you what he's used to. See, that doesn't bother him a whole lot. I usually lunge all my horses before I get on just to make sure there's nothing going on. You can see how athletic he is. He's a big horse. He's 15-1. I'll get on here and kind of show you what he can do under saddle. First thing you notice, he stands when you get on. Let me back up away from the camera here quick. We flex all our horses to keep them soft. You should be able to yield the hindquarters just by putting your foot on. I don't have my spur on. I'm just, I have it on, but I'm not using it. Just using the heel. So he goes around both ways. And you should be able to yield the forequarters also. Back up collected. We teach them all the side pass. Now I've got him almost to the point where I can go bridleless. He's that light. I'm going to lope him around a little bit, and you'll see when I sit down, you'll see that he'll just stop. I won't use the reins, I'll just sit down. next time around, I'm just gonna sit down. See how he does here with the flag. We put them all through the obstacle course, put them on trails, through tarps, mud, water, dogs, ex-wives. Well, not really. I'm gonna just try him for fun. I've not tried him bridleless, but everybody seems to get a kick out of it when I do it, so. It could be good, it could be bad, but it'll be what it'll be, I guess. He's a good boy, though. I'm going to turn left. Turn right. Everybody now, right, left. I would never lope a horse like this, and I've never done this with before, but that would just be suicide. But I got him walking around. He is a sweet boy, 5-year-old. He's not registered, but I have paperwork if somebody would get him registered, but it would cost $500 to get him registered. So that's up to you. If you want him registered, we can do that. The guy I got him from just never got around registering, but I've got all the bloodlines on him where he goes back to. So absolutely joy of a horse to be around. So if you're looking for a good, stout, athletic gelding, here you are. Thanks for watching.